How to use CapCut templates on PC. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser, in the search bar, go ahead and search for CapCut.com. And once you search for it, you simply want to go ahead and log in to your CapCut account. And once you're logged in, you want to go ahead and tap on templates right over here, and inside the template section you'll then be able to find different kind of video templates as well as the image templates. And once you find anything that you like, you simply want to go ahead and tap onto it. And once you are here, go ahead and tap on use this template. And once you tap onto it, it will automatically redirect you to the editor section. And as you can see that this very template includes 6 different clips. So in order to use these templates by putting your own images or video, you want to go ahead and simply tap on this icon that says replace. And when you tap on this icon, it will automatically open your file explorer, and from here you can choose your photo or video. And once you choose it, simply tap on open. And just like that, it's gonna replace the clip right over here. And once you're satisfied with everything, you want to go ahead and tap on export, and just like so, your video will get exported in your PC. And that is simply how you can easily use templates in CapCut in your PC. That ends the video guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.